Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making old school baked mac and cheese. But before we do that, all of my books are on sale today for only 40% off. Go on over to my website. Link will be in the bio. Let's get into it. So I'm going to start with boiling my pasta. Now I'm going to boil my pasta in some chicken stock because I believe what's in the water going to come in the pasta. Okay, and I want my pasta to be sopped up and with a little flavor. So I'm going to boil in some chicken stock because I don't want to just do no water. Then I'm going to take my beat up pan that I got and I'm going to boil my pasta till it's al dente, so about 7 minutes, and then I'm going to strain it. Make sure you don't overcook it. Then we're going to add our butter to the pasta, 1 stick of butter, and the ingredients will be in the description box below. Don't you worry, okay? We're going to give it a stir, but make sure you don't stir too much because you don't want to, make the pasta too gummy, okay? Then I'm going to add my sour cream. I'm adding sour cream, but this is how my mama make it. And if it ain't broke, don't try to fix it. It'll be good as hell. It'll be sopped up. Okay, it's the old school way. Add a little sour cream. Then we're going to add some seasoning. I'm just adding a little bit of paprika for some color because you know it don't taste like nothing, child. And some onion powder, garlic powder, and a little bit of salt. Because remember, we cooked our pasta in the chicken stock, so don't need that much salt. Then I'm going to add some cheese here. Just as much cheese as you want, maybe about a cup at a time. I'm gonna add some provolone, some mozzarella, a little cheddar to that, and I'm just gonna give it a stir, okay? So I add about maybe 3 cups of cheese. I'm finna say lasagna, Lord help me. This mac and cheese is extra cheesy, y'all. So now I'm gonna add my eggs because we're getting ready to make our custard that go in the macaroni to make it hold up and set up really, really good. And it's also going to make it creamy. And I just added some heavy cream to that and also some milk. And just make sure you check out the ingredients in the description box. I have all the measurements down there. And just give it a whisk, just like that. Whisk it real good. Yeah. And I'm going to be cooking mine in my cast iron skillet, honey, because you know that's how we do it out here in the South, okay? And I put that butter in that skillet so it can be sopped up and that macaroni won't stick. So I'm just going to add about 1.5 cups of my macaroni down into the cast iron skillet. Now, this cast iron skillet is very deep. Now, normally you can use a 9x13 pan or whatever. That'll adjust your cooking time, though, depending on how deep your pan is, okay? But this is a cast iron skillet. So I just poured my milk on top of the macaroni. As you can see, I'm just layering it. I'm adding macaroni down, then I'm adding some more cheese at a time, then I'm adding my custard. I'm just gonna layer it just like I do a lasagna or anything like that. So just take your time, add as much cheese as you want to, okay? Because make sure you make it cheesy, honey, and be sopped up. As soon as you add the cheese, just add about 1 cup of the custard at a time, okay? So about 1 cup of the custard at a time. So you put your pasta down, then you put your cheese down, 1.5 cups of cheese, then you're gonna add 1 cup of the custard. And then you're gonna finish layering it just like that, put some more cheese on top, and sprinkle with a little paprika for that color, because it don't taste like nothing. I don't know why people think paprika tastes like something, child. Anyway, we're gonna bake this on 375 for about 45 minutes to an hour, and it's gonna come out looking just like that. Ooh, baby, that's sopped up. Look at that. Now, before you dig into it, just let it rest for about 10 minutes and then look. Baby, God is real in my soul. Amen. Talk to y'all later.